Within the digital revolution that is called AI, text to video is kind of a new thing. How about if I could animate all the artwork that I generated in MidJourney with just one click? It's a logical question because for a very long time we've been accustomed to text to video in the form of adaptations. We read a book and we create a video out of it. Text to video. You know, I've not been hiding my love for the Terminator movies on this channel, but this week I came across a 200-year-old story that may even better represent the times that we are in. Frankenstein. Frankenstein is a gothic novel that was written by Mary Shelley and published in 1818. And since then it had a few text-to-video adaptations. And the story is about a young scientist named Victor Frankenstein who creates a sapient, an intelligent creature, in an experiment.
It's alive!
Eventually the creature is rejected by society, so it embarks on a journey of revenge against its creator. Now the novel explores the theme of creation, and that's why I think it's relevant today, because it's the same with AI. We are experimenting with creating artwork out of text prompts. You know what? Let's ask AI what it thinks of Frankenstein. Make a comparison between Frankenstein and AI. Frankenstein and AI have several similarities and differences. Both deal with the creation of intelligent beings, however in Frankenstein it's purely scientific experiment, while in AI it's the development of technology and software. In both cases, the creators struggle with the responsibility and ethics of their creations, as well as the consequences that ensue. That is interesting. Now let's take a closer look to these text-to-video apps, alright? And there's no reason to be afraid, we'll leave that part of the revenge journey against its creator for the next generation. Welcome to Video State. On this channel I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe and leave a comment if you want some more. Like I said, AI is the digital revolution. We got apps such as ChatGPT that spits out entire articles, ebooks and scripts based on a short prompt. We see fascinating artwork being created with just a few prompts in apps such as MidJourney, DALL-E and Stable Diffusion. Now, new apps join the market every day. But what about video? What is the state of AI video? First, you need to know that AI already found its way to both live action and animated video content. And if you want to know the difference between the two, then check out the video that I made a few weeks ago on my channel. Apps such as Movio.IA, Steve.AI and Our One allows you to create videos from pre-designed templates and feature AI presenters to choose from. On the other hand, we got Kaiber, Genmo and neural frames that let you create animations from text. Alright, let's dive in. Now Movio is an AI tool for creating stylish video templates with AI presenters, and the text to video functionality here is great. Just type in your script and your avatar presents it.
Learn how to create binge-worthy video content with Video State.
It's a promising solution for various presentation needs. And for $30 per month, you get about 10-minute video content. Our One is an AI video maker that enables you to quickly and easily create videos for use in training and development. Reels is their step-by-step AI interface that is user-friendly and allows you to select an avatar and background pretty fast. I think it's fun to scroll through all the avatars that they have. Easily change colors, add music and your logo in the editor. Also here for $30 per month you get about 10 minutes of rendered content. Steve.AI, they take it to the next level in terms of a one-stop shop. It features 22 video solutions, both live action and animation. And it offers a wide range of templates for different concepts such as marketing videos, explainer videos, commercials, education videos and even YouTube videos. You can choose 3 starting points: script to video, blog to video or voice to video. And after you generate your video, you can always go back and edit the video to make it better. Plans are pretty good. For $15 you get about 5 premium exports. As you can see, these apps, they help you pretty fast in creating short form ads, presentation, intros, social media content. It kind of reminds me of Canva, but then with an animated AI presenter that is actually presenting the content. So it's pretty cool. Moving on to text to video animation. And if you want to know the state of these AI driven animation videos today, then check out the Imagen research space by Google. Kaiber has a pretty straightforward UX to transform your ideas into mesmerizing videos. The awesome part here is that just like the text-to-image generators, you can define the style of the output too, such as anime, concept art or impressionism. So my vision of Frankenstein walking into a bar with his buddy Dracula kinda looks like this. On pricing, this one seems pretty cheap. For $10 per month you get 10 videos. However, I rather call it scenes, because you probably need to stitch the 10 videos together. Stitch together. Do you get it? Frankenstein. Neural Frames is an AI-driven tool for creating video clips out of text prompts. It uses the AI tool Stable Diffusion as a driver. You can prompt text for images, select the output format of your video, and edit the CFG scale, which controls how much the image generation follows your text prompt. For just $10 per month, you get about 1200 credits. So it should be possible to create 10 scenes or 10 videos out of that. I thought Genmo was pretty impressive. Also here, a very simple interface inviting you to prompt your text directly or upload images from your computer. It can create videos from words, images, symbols and even emojis. My ideas on Frankenstein and Dracula drinking beers in a bar kinda looks like this. The app runs on fuels. If you run out of fuel, you can let the administrator know who refuels your tank. I think it's pretty funny. Looking at these apps, kinda looks similar to what the first text-to-image samples from MidJourney looked months ago. Promising as hell. And according to Mark Zuckerberg, it's much harder to generate video than photo because beyond correctly generating each pixel, the system also has to predict how they'll change over time. In other words, let's be gentle with AI today, trying to figure out how to create videos out of text. But imagine that in a few months from now, we'll be able to generate a full-length movie out of a text prompt. And beyond that, in the near future there will be a Netflix-like platform that will stream only AI-generated video content. Now, to conclude, the videos that we can create today with AI are not near a level that I would distribute them without some form of hesitation. Sure, there are ways to animate the outputs yourself, like for instance in After Effects, but that would involve a human at some point. And maybe that is the point. We will always have humans interfere with technology in order to supervise our own creations. So to that extent, we are all Victor Frankensteins. I hope you found some value here. I'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.